Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be doing a quick installation video, and this is ArmorSuit. This is a protective skin for your tablet. Here we have the all-new iPad Pro 11-inch, and we're going to get this on and see how it looks. Stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open this box. So this is ArmorSuit. It tells you that this is a military shield, full body protection, screen protector. I'm going to get this out. Get it open. See what all we have in the packaging. Okay, put the box to the side. So these are your installation instructions. I'll come back to that a little bit later on. They want you to visit the website, see how to do it. I've done these before, so I am going to put it on and we'll throw that to the side. Installation instructions, watch our instructional video with any help installing. We don't need to do that. The device is already turned off. You can't remove batteries anymore. This is your little bottle of adhesive. So let's look and see what we have in this little bag. So they give you this. This is like a little rubber, almost like a little credit card that you're gonna smooth it out with, smooth your edges out with. And this is just a little terry cloth. So we have the terry cloth. We have the little rubber wiper mat, whatever you want to call it. We have the actual liquid, and we have the screen protector right here. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is we want to make sure that our iPad is free of all dust. So I'm going to take the little cloth that they gave me, and I'm going to wipe all the edges, clean that screen really nice. Now, a little bit about this ArmorSuit. ArmorSuit is basically supposed to be like a self-healing screen protectant. It's not a tempered glass. It's just a little plastic coating that's going to go on. It's going to evenly adhere to the edges. Once we put this on, we're going to then put our protector on, and then we'll actually smooth it out. I'm going to spray screen just like so. A few sprays that I have right here. Peel that off just like so. Put that to the side. I'm going to lay this on. Well, I forgot one step. I need to spray this first, but it already has something on it now. But you want to spray this, and you want to spray your fingertips because it can get a little sticky. And then we're going to gently lay this back on, line up the edges, just like so. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to smooth, starting from the center, all the way out to the sides. That's going to remove any of that excess liquid that gets trapped under the screen. So I'm going to take this, go out to the sides, just like so. Line that back up. I'll take this again, go back out to the sides, getting all the excess moisture off. All right, there we have it. We have the screen protector on. We got all the moisture out of it. If there is any excess moisture, you are just going to rub this along the edges just to get anything out. Remember, any bubbles that you have will self-correct within a day or so. They actually don't want you to use this screen for about 24 hours so that it can kind of adhere to your iPad screen. But that is pretty much it. Yeah, you can't really tell that it's there. It looks like the regular iPad screen. So now you have this military grade protection on your iPad 11-inch, your iPad Pro 11-inch, and Hopefully it won't get scratched up or scraped up. Now, this screen will not stop yours from breaking. This is not tempered glass like we said before, but this is an extra layer of protection to keep you from getting scratches and scuffs on your screen. So I hope this is able to help someone. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.